This is Needlepoint. He is named after his point on the top. This name is Spinny Curly Zigzag because this plane is named after the way it flies. This is called a Falcon because it is the fastest plane that I have. This is the Dome Missile because it flies like a missile and it has a dome-shaped point.
Mm-hmm.
This is called the Manta Ray because its shape looks like a manta ray, and it has a little bob here, right here, just like a tail.
Mm-hmm.
And when it flies, it looks like a manta ray flapping its wings.
Mm-hmm.
This is called the Military Bulldog because it looks like a military plane.
Mm-hmm.
And because it's a bulldog, it's the way how it loops and how aggressive it is.